Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a new Roblox account on your PC if you don't have one. All you have to do is go to create account after you install Roblox on your PC. I already made a video how to install it on your PC. If you don't know how to do it, you can check out the video in the description below. And to create a new account on Roblox, click on create account, and then in here in birthday you select your birthday. Just for example, for the video I'm gonna select a random birthday. Let's go with this, and then you're gonna select the day and then the month in here, and then click on confirm birthday. And for the username, don't use your real name. You can create a random username. It's not a name, but a username. You can write anything you want. I'm gonna write my channel's name, Minsweb, let's say Minsweb for test, for example. Right now it's good. And for the password, you have to make it a complicated password, not a simple one, and at least 8 characters long, and does not match the username to make it more hard to guess for anyone trying to log into your account. And for the password, I'm gonna write it, and then you're gonna select your gender. It's optional. If you don't want to, you cannot select it, but for me I'm gonna select a male because I'm a male, and then click on create account. And now as you can see, we have created our account. It's Minsweb for test. As you can see right here, we made a new account, so we're ready to play and use and play Roblox on our PC. This is how you make your account, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.